want to have our graduates to have these attributes. Of course, there are more. I mean, our Finland colleagues yesterday talked about various kind of attributes, and I think we, as a group of professionals here, I think we start to see that we are getting more similar than difference. I mean, the issues we're encountering, the kind of people we want to train. So the first question we ask ourselves in the VTC is, what can applied research benefit or help us to bring out or realize these graduate attributes? I want to focus, therefore, for the rest of this talk a little bit on how actually we encourage applied research in our institutes. Now, if you are recruiting your teaching staff in a proper way and you've got the right staff, chances are many of the vocational education colleagues are very good in training how people do things. Now, if you already have a body of staff who are great researchers and you're running a vocational place, you're probably either very lucky having people who know how to do research and teaching, or you're hiring the wrong category of staff. So we in Hong Kong have the same situation. We want to have some of these staff who are great teachers and know how to train, but also helping them to develop research opportunities. Now, one of the things we have done is to set up these things called seed grants, okay? And then we gradually help to build up a performance system which help them to guide them to know, where to emphasize on some of these research activities. Because one of the difficulties in applied research is there's not a lot of models. So consequently, a lot of places will say, okay, let's borrow the traditional generic comprehensive university model. Now, that model is great if you want to send a man to the moon or want to know a little bit more about astrophysics. It's great because it takes a lot of resources, have a very sharp focus on a very precise problem area. How do you make certain kind of neutron split? That's great. But in the vocational education area, you are here supposed to solve problems of the industry, realistic problems. So what we done was we have a seed grant system. So basically help new faculties or new staff members or existing staff members who want to get